way to like edit something. No, you can't do that either. That sucks. Give me a second, guys. Let me go and switch my account really fast to try and edit some of these. One person watching over here. Thank you, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So yeah, I'm always streaming on different things. Perfect. Yeah, so if anybody wants to comment, go over to MP Shorts channel. I'm streaming in portrait mode. And I'll probably do, like I said, I do more like smaller streams over there. I don't even know if Adam Aaron canceled the vote. Yes, it looks like he did. If you go to his Twitter, I actually, like if you go to my Twitter, you actually see here, it's no secret that the shareholders should authorize, I think the shareholders should authorize 25 million more AMC shares, but I think it was more important to us. Many yes, many no. AMC does not want to proceed with such a split. So we're canceling the July vote on more shares. So it's good. It's really good. All right, so right now we're at 3.85%. Making a move back up over the 15 moving average. That 15 moving average is over the 200 EMA, which is definitely a good thing. I'm happy about that. SSR is on for today, I think. It did hit below 10%, yeah, but I mean, SSR really doesn't matter as much. We've seen from the past, but at least it does something, right? Almost have as many likes as people watching. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, currently, yes, can get to that point as the viewers start to decrease. I remember we had about 700, 800 viewers at one point, and now we're down to 650, which is not bad. I mean, I'm still okay with being at that level. Also, with 653 likes, I appreciate everybody hitting the like button. Adam Aaron should push out a dividend. Yeah, if he does, then the shorts would have to pay that. That's not a bad thing. The same thing that they're doing with GME, except they're doing a crypto dividend, which they would have to pay that. So AMC apes to the moon. Good morning. You should have put a question mark after AMC to 60 today. No, I'm pretty confident that it's going to go to 59.20. So I'm thinking that's where it's going to get to. Will it stay there? Probably not. So that's what I'm thinking. So I'm not saying that it's a question. I think it's more of a statement. Now, this is my opinion, but you know, you can take it however you want. Hopefully you're right. Yeah, I hope so too. I hope we see some positive movement on the way up. I mean, I just want to see that continue to stair step on the way up rather than, have that large increase or increase to about $56 and then fall down. I want to see a lot more. 3 people over on Twitch. Thank you guys for watching over there. 2 people on the MP Shorts channel. 600 people over on the Matthew Perry channel. So I appreciate it. But yeah, I think that's a good idea. If he had his didn't AMC have a dividend before this? And having a dividend would be good for any of the shorts because it would apply that pressure on them as well. What's up? Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone have a happy Memorial Day. I have class to get ready for, but I'm listening. Let's get it. Thank you, Ryan, for being here. What do you think about DCM? Hopefully AMC can hit it. What is DCM? Am I? Yeah, what is that? Yeah, let me know. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Like, is it a ticker symbol? Is it something that's an acronym? Like, what? I don't. I'm lost, just a little bit. Good morning, Fire King. With some of the AMC profit, I think I will become a paranormal investigator to debunk a hoax. That's a lie. I will run. I hope everyone had a great 4th. I did. It was really good. I would have liked to have a cookout, but we didn't have any type of cookout. Matt, what do you think having the AMC post squeeze? Do you think there will be any issue for them? The issue will be if people hold on or not. So I'm not telling anybody to hold on, but I think with the amount that people stand to make with AMC, that they support the business and everything that they could be. So, having them hold above $20, $30 would be great. It's just so tough to think that people will hold on to all their shares or even a portion of their shares. Look, they're probably looking to sell as much as they can. So I think it would be good if people held on to it. That after the squeeze happens and it gets to certain levels, people are going to think that it can get back up to that point. So they're going to keep buying that thing up, and you're going to see it actually fluctuate and, go up and down, probably within like the $30 to $50 range, up and down, continue to increase, decrease as people are holding on, letting go, holding on, letting go. Shorts are probably they're going to end up reshorting it at the peak point, I would imagine. Other hedge funds would reshort it. But yeah, what do you think about setting up a WhatsApp group for us members, somewhere apes can talk offline? So we do have, I have a Discord group. WhatsApp is not something I want to create, especially with all of the scamming that's going on in my comment section. If you don't know, there's a lot of comments that ask people to reach out to WhatsApp, and I will never create a WhatsApp group. I will never have a WhatsApp number. I will never ask you for Bitcoin. I will never ask you for anything. That's not how I roll on any of my accounts. I'm not going to ask you for a single thing besides hitting that like button. So that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to create that, but I do have a Discord group. If you do want to select that in the description, it's $5 to join in there. But then after that, you don't have to do anything else. You can cancel that membership after the first month, and you'll still have the access to the what's it called, the Discord group. So I want to continue to build that community, and it doesn't have to be something where you're paying $5 every single month. It could be something where you're only paying that initial $5, and then you have a bunch of people you can talk to, and it's not going to be to a level to where there's going to be thousands of people. I'm going to probably cap it off at maybe like 1,000 people if it gets to that point. And right now, I think we're only at like maybe 100, 110, 120. So I'm going to cap it off probably at like maybe 500 to 1,000 to see how hectic it does get. Because I do want to create conversations and things that are important as we go along. Also, birthdays and all that other stuff. Obviously, if we're all a community, we want to celebrate the people that are in it. But still, yeah, there's a Discord group in the description. Data Communications Management Corp. Currently at $1.51. Is that the one you're looking at? DCM. Why does it come up like crypto for some reason? It doesn't give you anything. Like it doesn't actually bring up the RSI or anything like that. Steady growth. Not bad growth if that's what you're looking at. Yeah, I don't really have a true opinion on that because I don't know about it. But I would say the growth looks really, really good. If you're looking to buy in right now, it's at some of these highs. Let's actually look at it year to date. Year to date looks like it's getting to a certain point of resistance. So it's getting to some of these highs if you're looking to buy into this position. Let's look at 5 years. Holy crap. It's been up to $900+ up to $1,250, and all the way down to where it is now. It went down to 8 cents, and now is at $1.43. I mean, if it can make that full comeback to $1,000, and that's a big deal. But it has a long road ahead of it. Does Carl have the same prediction as you? I think so. I haven't seen them actually today. Did you hear Graham Stephan's channel is being deleted because of these scammers? Yeah, I heard it's in process of being deleted. What app comments are you? Or what app comments are on all AMC videos? They're on all videos. So yeah, I don't like it because of the fact that I can never create a WhatsApp group. I can never even experience that because they've ruined that. I just know that anybody that is watching, that is subscribed to me, I will never ask for anything from you, ever. And if you don't see a check mark by my name, it's not me. If you see it says pinned by Matthew Perry and it's not actually like pinned by me, like I don't heart the comment. I always like and heart every single comment that's there. So if it's not pinned, or if it doesn't look like it's pinned, check to see if it's hearted. If it's hearted, then it's something that it's obviously someone else's comment. Like I'm not going to heart my own comment. I can't do that. What are your thoughts on where this goes? How does it all end? So my thought process on how it will end is dependent on whales. There's so many variables. So it's dependent on whales, depending on hedge funds, depending on if they go bankrupt or if they just cover. Like there's so many different variables that can actually take place that bring this to a level where it's like all right, well, what could happen here? Well, this could happen, then also this could happen. You know, I'm thinking that we'll see it go up to some of these peak points, right? And let's say the peak point, let's be you know, generous or generous and realistic at the same time. So let's say $30,000 per share. It gets to $30,000 per share. At that peak point, it's going to be a point to where people start selling at an abnormal rate. You're going to see the shorts that are all covered at that point. Maybe they'll reshort it. You'll see a lot of activity going in and out of platforms. And what will happen is some of these platforms may end up getting rid of the buy and sell button so that nothing can happen within that position besides what the hedge funds can do. And if that happens, you lose a lot of your gains. You won't lose all of it because eventually they will let you sell. But just in the beginning stages, they won't let you end up doing that. The platforms may end up freezing. You may see Robinhood and Webull end up freezing. TD Ameritrade might end up freezing as well. Fidelity, I'm not quite sure. They seem to be on their own on a whole nother island. There's just a lot of ifs, a lot of what ifs there. So how does it all end? It depends what you plan on doing and what your profit target is. So for me, I know I'm going to sell portions on the way up. And if it does end up stalling somewhere around $10,000, $20,000, I will probably be all out of it, or at least a lot out of it at $10,000 per share. But if it goes to, I will obviously have 100 or 10 to 100 shares at whatever the peak point ends up being. So on the way down, I'll end up selling 10 to 100 shares. It's the morning show with Carl and Matthew. Yes. That wasn't you that wanted all my Bitcoin for double back. Yeah, that wasn't me. I remember when someone asked me about that with Dogecoin, and I'm glad I steered them in the right direction because they had a website built for you give them certain Dogecoin, they give you double the Dogecoin back, and I'm like, that is scamish. That is literally a scam to a T. Thank you guys for watching on the MP Shorts channel. I appreciate it. If you guys want to follow me on MP Shorts or check out my other streams, let me actually unremove this. Unremove it or remove it? You know what I meant. You know what I'm getting at. I think this is the MP Shorts channel. Guess we'll find out. So if you guys want to follow the MP Shorts channel or go over there and just check some stuff out, because I will have some short videos that I create. I like to do more personal videos. Let me know what you like more, going through the actual stock or making it more personal. I wanted to do something that ties in with doing it on TikTok and doing it on here, so I can upload both of those. Oh, bro, how I just what? How I just know you got a brother named Andrew? Me? I don't have a brother named Andrew. I have a friend named Andrew. My brother's name is Chris. Unless you were talking about somebody else. I regret not buying into MRIN at $10. What is MRIN at right now? I know 30%, still at 36%. That's good because I thought this was going to continue to level off and decrease. Yeah, I mean it sucks when you think about it. You're like, oh well, these situations are not going to make you money because you hear a lot of information out there that's telling you that it's nothing but FUD. And yeah, I mean it could be. It doesn't hurt to buy into something if it goes against you and sell the position if it goes against you right away. Then find where the low is again, get into the position, let that grow up to $28 or whatever, and then you'll be good. So, of course, family understands. What? I was thinking more in a way of the exposure to all the doji stuff. Brokers and banks are doing it. It seems it seems the more they dig their heels in, the more they're under the microscope. Yeah, I'd agree. Is churches a good position? What's churches? Like Churchill Capital or like what? I don't. Don't tell people your private info, like family names, is info that can be used to guess or recover your online password. Please be careful. I understand where you're coming from, but yeah, I don't use any of that. I don't use any of that, and I won't. And I will never tell anyone the information that I do use. But yes, I know what you mean. Surely margin call stops them from going bankrupt. It does stop them from going bankrupt, um, but a lot of people will end up, or a lot of them will end up doubling down and tripling down. Have you heard of Pi token? Yes, I have Pi token. Underhand. Okay. Good morning, Matt. I hope you had a great fourth. I did. It was pretty good. Can't complain. Would have loved to have a cookout though. Smoke some ribs or something, or do whatever. I cook some stuff. It would have been fun. Churches. Why do you have to be so vague? Yeah, there's so many church. So I do Churchill Capital. You have Church and Dwight. Like there's just a lot of stuff. AMC. Where are we at right now? So it's 8:39. Guys, hit that like button. I know that in like 20 minutes, you're going to have other people that are going to be going live. And if you guys are going to leave to go to them, I don't feel any type of way for you doing that. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out or hit the like button now. And then when you end up leaving, you're good. So hit that like button. Help me out. Get this out to more people. I like to hit my goal of 1,000 likes, but I'm not sure if I'm going to get there. So if you can help me get there, that would be amazing. Just trying to help. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I would say my Coinbase account, I haven't checked it today, but I'm definitely going to do a crypto stream later because I think my Coinbase account is doing pretty well. I moved everything over to Coinbase Pro, so, or most of it. Can you download like a Coinbase Pro platform instead of um let's dismiss that. My platform looks good. What has the most percentage? 24% internet computer. 15% compound. Compound has actually grown quite a bit. I bought in compound. If you guys are interested in a position, I mean, I think compound's going to be pretty big. I bought into compound at $280 and instantly, I think it was like in a day or not even, it grew up to about 350 and then started to grow up to 400 and now it's at 515. So I bought in two coins of compound. That's all I had left and I would have loved to buy in more, because then that would have been um, a pretty decent amount of money that I would have gained just from compound alone. So from where I got in, I guess it's up about, or no, it's actually up 24% from today, I think. So now you're making me hungry. Grilling, yeah, grilling ribs sound good. Yeah, I would love to make some. We actually need to go shopping, so didn't really have it to begin with. I was hoping, I was actually going to set up like some sort of get together, some sort of quick get together. I think I could stream on 3 platforms or 4 platforms if I wanted to. Technically, I think I can use Streamlabs OBS. I can use OBS, then I can also use my phone and stream on Twitch on top of that if I wanted to, which would be fun. It'd be really fun. I would just have like 4 chats going, 5 chats going. Um, but there's 2 people over on Twitch. I appreciate it. There's 6 people over in the MP Shorts channel. Thank you guys for watching. It's more personal, very up close and personal here. And there's 583 people over on YouTube. So we had some nice stuff going on in the Discord. People sent some nice pics. I did see that. I was watching. Does Coinbase Pro offer staking? I'm not sure. I'm just getting into it. I would think so, but I'm not 100% sure. Everyone knows Matthew's password 1234. 123. Yeah, password 123 is my password. It's like the that's like the what's it called? What movie is that? Far From Home? Is it Far From Home? And his password is like password, and he's the head of security. It's like you're the head of security and your password is password. Phone died, and I have enough to buy 2 shares of AMC. Should I buy now or wait? I'm thinking the low is going to be around 52. So it's totally up to you. I think if you buy now or buy later, it's only going to be a matter of like $1. So, or I guess $2 in your case because you're buying 2 shares. So I don't think it's going to be that much of a difference. Matt, did you hear about the UK stopping crypto trading on Binance? No, I didn't hear about that. That's not good. I mean, they're always trying to find a way to limit crypto. I guess it's probably because it has a way to, since it's deregulated and all that stuff, you can't really track everything as well. It's like grounds for money laundering or something. Matt, how are you feeling about today? I'm hoping for a nice push post long weekend. Hashtag stay with Matt P. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I mean, we get a lot more comments and a lot more conversations when you don't have as many people. So, I mean, I obviously want more people to watch, but you start to really hone in on a lot of the people that are there, the questions that are asked. So, it's good. We're all good. If we get down to 200 people that are watching, that's cool. Get down to 300 people that are watching, that's still cool. But yeah, when it comes to what I'm thinking about today, like I said, my prediction for today, and it's my prediction, it's based on an opinion, based on history, all that stuff. It's not fact. I'm not saying that this is going to get to that point. I believe it will, but it's not a given because anything could happen. This is not 100% predictable. So it's merely just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But I believe that the low today is going to be 52, 52.40. I believe I said 52.40 or 52.40 or 52 like 47 or something. I don't really know exactly what I said. We'll have to go back. But the high is going to be around 59.20. And it's going to close around 57. I don't know if it will actually break 60 today. I'm thinking the high is going to be 59. It may break 60 tomorrow, but I don't feel it's going to. And if it does, it does. I'm all for it. And I will gladly be wrong on that end. I don't want to be wrong on the how low it's going to go. Even though you don't have the biggest views on your live, you're one of the most realistic streamers that doesn't yell diamond hands off stream. Yeah, I'm not going to be that person because I understand how the stock market works and I understand day trading and swing trading. Everybody else is more or less trying to protect their viewers. No offense to anybody. I'm not trying to throw shade on anybody, but it's you protect your viewers by saying, keeping that diamond hands mentality, even though we understand the overall thought of making money. If you're a true day trader or swing trader or investor, you understand how to make money and how not to, limit your risk. I mean, if you're gaining a ton out of the viewership, then you don't want to end up risking that at all, which I don't tend to do well because I always end up going to a realistic thought process. So, when I was at 18,000 viewers or 20,000 viewers at max a while ago, I'm too realistic for people. So some people just don't like watching, and it's cool. So, yeah, I mean, I'm all for it. Eventually, it'll get to that point, and people will understand exactly where I was coming from. But it's never to a point to where I would say, I told you so. It's more to a point like, how can I help you make money the next time if you ended up missing out on an opportunity? So I've learned not to say I told you so because you can't say I told you so to your wife. So that's how that goes. I need to figure out something to sell to finish rounding GME share. Well, like rejected, but now we have too many catalysts this week. And most important, Adam Aaron just filed to remove the application for approval of 25 million shares. Later, check out the Mask Investor and his interviews, 2 different videos with Stephanie Cameron, who was also called the Dark Pool Queen and the Stock Whisperer. I mean, you could, it just wouldn't end well. What's Forrest Gump's password? 1 Forrest 1? Possibly. Your realistic point of view is why I subscribe and pay to be in the chat. I appreciate that. That means a lot. I'm leaning towards FCEL, and I think they won't be profitable for a while. Can you look at it real quick? Let's see, FCEL. Why does that seem familiar? Let's take a look at this. Give me a second. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Currently, it's up 0.95%. It was down Friday, which everything was really down at 2.56%. Let's look at it from like 100,000 foot view. we can see where it got to from uh, November, where everything really started to increase up to $29.44, decreased all the way down to about $6.31, and then did increase to about $12, did decrease. So you're saying that you think that this is going to be a good play. It doesn't really have a lot of history to show that it can break above those levels. The good thing is that we are seeing it one break above a previous resistance level. So it did resist at this point and broke above that. It's a good sign. Seeing it create a higher low is definitely a good sign. We don't really know if this is that low, if it will end up making that increase back to about $12 or breaking above this level to 15. So it does look like it has a little bit of potential. I just would like to see a lot more before I can make that move. This looked like it was a rally, but then coming back from that rally, obviously you need some sort of a healthy pullback. So you want to see it end up bouncing off of a certain point, maybe one of these levels down here. So you look at this level and it'll probably bounce off of 787 or 7 something, and then see it skyrocket up. So hopefully that's the case. That's what you could see, and then you'll end up seeing that move. I have to go in 45 minutes to pick up the kid from kindergarten, but I will turn off the screen at my job and just keep the live video open. I appreciate that a lot. It means the world. Yeah, SSR triggered today, and also the threshold securities listing. You can say that to the wife. You just better have a very comfortable couch. I guess that's true. Humble and realistic. That's what I like about you. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for the kind words. Look at the .com bubble price in 2020. For that's crazy to show that. Oh, not in 2020, in 2000. I say 2020. $7,830. That is crazy. Just imagine. This could be AMC. I mean, it was at levels of $200 before that, but this could have been AMC up to $7,830. That'll be really big, really good. So either way, I think just looking at that, if you're saying that can get back to that point, I don't know. I don't know about that. But that is ridiculous. That's just more of a missed opportunity then, but now, I mean, could be a point to where you are getting into the position. The only thing is, how much does it have left after dropping so far down to 13 cents? All right, we got 550 people in here, guys. Hit that like button. Get me up to 800 likes. That would be amazing. Whoops. I just kicked the screen here. All right, let's see how that looks, because I think I might have moved it. It looks like there's I can see the green screen. me go back here. For sure. I just wanted to move that money into a GME. Only up like $10. MRIN is running. That's good. Where's it running to? It's up 33%. Yeah, it was up 36% earlier. But yeah, it's making a little bit of a move up to $28 of a high, $28.24 of a high. So if AMC is still on the special securities upon the market open July 8th, we're required to purchase some 32.5 million shares. This is the end catalyst. This is the end game catalyst. I mean, it's only 32.5 million shares. That could be a drop in the bucket compared to where it will go. You know what I mean? So, or how much goes in there anyways, because we can see 100 plus million, 200 plus million, 700 plus million in one day. That could that. I don't want to make it seem like that's like a bigger catalyst than what it is. Green screens are weird. Yes, they are. They're pretty weird, but I like them. I mean, it makes me like I can be in front of it and be right here and have the whole screen in my back, in the background. Love green screens. All right, guys, if you're over here on the MP Shorts channel, make sure you hit the like button. Just tap that like button. It does help out a ton. Let's see if I can actually show this. There we go. Look at that. That looks great. Huh. Well, yeah, this will always be my on the go type of thing. If I'm ever looking to like, maybe I'm traveling or whatever, would love to be able to do live streams and stuff. What's up with SOS? Yeah, SOS is not moving. I was a little concerned with that as well. SOS is not making a move. It doesn't really have the volume. Let's look at SOS on Market Watch. I want to see, I haven't ever checked out like how many, what's their public float. It looks like it's they have a public float of 0. They have 182 million shares outstanding. The amount of shorted shares is 20.99 million shares. So that's about 10% of, let's say, the shares outstanding. I don't know why the public float is 0, but whatever. Yeah, SOS is not really making too many moves. You put on a gorilla mask the day it squeezes. I can put on a banana shirt. I have one of those. And we should be good then. So we're going to play the squeeze and the FTD consequences we all hope for. Yeah. I'm gonna definitely take some time to figure out what's going on with Coinbase, but let me show you guys Coinbase as well. So yeah, my portfolio right now, I'm sitting at about 6,640. When I invested the money, it was about 4,000, so I grew it by about 2,600. And I hold 24% Internet Computer at a balance of 1,620. Compound, I invested there at 20 or at $280, went up to a total of 500. Internet Computer can easily get up to 750, which would be really good. Litecoin, I invested there at 130, so that's increasing as well. Anchor, I have about 10,000 coins there, looking to keep that for a while. Ethereum Classic, I'm going to continue to add more of Ethereum Classic as I add more to Coinbase. I have some Cardano. I would like to have about 1,000 coins of Cardano, but we'll see how that works. Maybe I'll add some more later. I should have some money coming from YouTube soon. Also, I have Gitcoin. I think Gitcoin is really good. If I look into regular Coinbase here, because this doesn't really show you too much. Like it shows you like information on the prices, but it doesn't show you a lot when it comes to the detail. So yeah, when I go into, where's Gitcoin? Little baby upstairs, just yelling. So yeah, when you look at Gitcoin, I don't know how to say that. When you look at that, 14.2 million supply. It's pretty big. 57 bucks. That baby is adorable. She just yells. All right, so we have 465 people here. Thank you guys for sticking with me. I know that, we have others that do start streaming at 9, and I appreciate you guys being here with me. If you can get me to 800 likes, that would be amazing. Obviously, my goal is always 1,000 likes, but I don't think we're going to get there in an hour. So I appreciate you guys. Seven people over here on the MP Shorts channel. I appreciate you for being over here as well. It's more of a personal view. You see a clearer picture of just me on the screen. So I appreciate you guys a lot. Of course, family, appreciate you too. What is up with you, man? Or lady, person. Actually, it could be an animal as well. But who knows what's going on? Why so much about like cores and stuff? Did you create another channel, and is that Matt Kors that's actually doing that? I got and it's official. No more 25 million share offering taken off the table officially by Adam Aaron. Yes, I did tweet that out as well. So no more vote needed. Yep. Right there with you. Let's look at what AMC is doing right now. AMC is now up 2.89%. It is decreasing, just like I said, getting up to 54, dropping down. I don't remember what I said it will open up at. I was thinking that it would open up somewhere around 53, I think. I'm not 100% sure, so I don't want to, say a different price that I think it's going to open up at. But I know what I said for the highs and lows. Not sure if you already talked about it, but I read that AMC has shelved the 25 million share proposal. Yes, I have. A bunch of times. I also tweeted it. 52 at the open. Is that what I said? mean, we have about 24 minutes, so that would be a large amount of movement in 24 minutes, which you can see movement, I believe, in the last like maybe 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. You usually see a lot of movement where the volume starts coming in. We are seeing 700,000 shares worth of volume in Webull alone. So we might see about 2 million. If I go into Fidelity, which again, I'm upset with Fidelity for not, what the heck? I should have that password updated. I'll update it later. That's not it either. So yeah, someone's probably giving me. 1.8 million. So someone probably already told me, but maybe not. Oh, 1.8 million. So this is looking like about 2 million shares. We will see 2 million shares worth of volume in the pre-market, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. I have to go see Black Widow this weekend. I have to, whether it's Friday or Saturday, I have to go see it. I can't, with the amount of videos that I watch that will give me all of the spoilers, all of the information. Literally going through TikTok, going through anything, I will get a bunch of spoilers. So I have to go see Black Widow this weekend. I need an IMAX theater. So I need an IMAX screen. I need 3D. I need all that stuff, everything. And I need to watch. I'm like salivating for Loki. I need that. I need that to happen as well. Open up above 53, 53.48 on Webull now. Yes, 53.48. Loki tomorrow and Black Widow ASAP with my streaming options. Yeah, I need to see it in theater. I can't. I was going to buy it on Disney Plus, but I was like, I need to go and see it IMAX. I have to. Every movie I need to see IMAX for Marvel. I haven't got the Captain America pop socket on my case, which I took the case off because my phone is, I'm streaming with my phone. So currently at 53.51, up about $1.55. Again, I think the high, I'm going to say it again, I think the high is 59.20 today. The low is going to be 52.40, 52.40, 50, around that range. And then it's going to close at 57. So I think we're going to see it close way up, but it's still below where they want us to be, or we want to be. You know, we want to be above 60. If I could go to a theater jam-packed this weekend before vacation, ready to enjoy it either way. Yeah, I mean, I just need to. I need to. The one time, I believe when Far From Home came out, I seen it on vacation. So I was like, look, we have to go. I don't care what's happening here. Somebody's watching. I think we only had Harper at the time. Somebody's watching Harper, and we need to go watch this movie. Now it's more difficult because you got two kids, but I think I'm going with my brother and not my wife because she doesn't really like Marvel movies. I love the Loki hoodie. Wish it was Profit Hands hoodie. I know. I wish it was as well. I am I'm looking at a couple of companies that I was researching the other day to see what their quality is like. So once I get the quality, then yes, we can figure that out, and we'll have our own store, not the one that you get on YouTube, because that quality is horrible. Just increased to 7,000 AMP coins. Wow. I have about 5,000, I believe. Let's go here. No, let's go Coinbase Pro. Yeah, I have about 5,000 coins, 5,541 coins. I was thinking about increasing those coins to about 10,000 because I want to hold 10,000 for the long haul. I do believe in where Anchor can go, a little bit more than where AMP can go, I believe, just because of the current popularity and also the amount of supply. I'm looking at the supply and also trying to figure that stuff out. But if we go to, let's go here and let's go to AMP. We'll go to Anchor first. Anchor has about 7 billion supply, 39-day hold time. And if we go back and we look at AMP, it has 42 billion supply and 17-day hold time. So I'm definitely seeing a little bit more potential to get to $100, $200 or so, versus AMP that can probably get to a level of like $20, $30, stuff like that. I have 2,000 Anchor. Yeah, I'm looking at all these coins that have a low price. I'm also looking at a lot of coins. Like if we go into, let's see, I can go to, let me bring this up over here. Coin market cap. If I go to coin market cap, and hopefully you're also watching on my other channel so that you can see it. But if I go to coin market cap, I actually like to find a way to filter and sort. So I will find a way to sort by circulating supply of the lowest supply to see what moves the most. Because if you have a low supply, it moves a lot, right? And it can get to like higher and higher levels from being at low amounts. So this is what made me get into Compound. Compound was sitting at $200+ with only 5.3 million coins available, which with the popularity means that it can get to higher and higher figures. Same thing with Dash. Dash only has 10.2 million coins available and it's sitting at $135. That can easily get to $1,000, no problem, with just a little bit of movement, a little bit of a push. So a lot of times I will sort it by circulating supply with a low price, so that I can find like something that has 12 million coins at $79. Pretty big, right? But you also need to see the volume that goes into it. So if I'm looking into that position and I wanted to see that I can buy it on Coinbase, I can make that purchase on Coinbase at $79, seeing that increase with 15.2 million shares worth of volume. Yeah. Circulating supply with low price. If you have a low circulating supply, the low circulating supply with a low price, it shows a lot of potential to increase. So let's see if I can show this here. So if I'm showing this here, and I'm going to take you through it. Sorry for people that are here. We'll get back to AMC a little bit. But if you see all the way towards the end, you're going to see they have this circulating supply here of 12 million, right? That's a low amount compared to some of the other ones that have billions, and even lower than Bitcoin that has 21 million. And then you're going to see some volume, and what you want to see is that price being low. If you see a low price, then that means it has a lot of potential to grow. Something that has 12 million coins can get up to a point of Bitcoin-like levels, or have higher levels than that because it has less coins than Bitcoin. So that's what I'm looking at when it comes to that. I always love to look at those type of things and then get into those, hold on to those for a while, and then see those increase. That's why I had Compound. I got into Compound, and that grew by $200. Matt, you should check out Telesafe and Rice Farm, making great strides. Are they? I've heard plenty of things about them. I've heard plenty of things about them, and I would like to. Good morning, Matt. Sorry I missed you this morning. I had a doctor's appointment. Hope you are well. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, Vaxxin VET. I do think VET is pretty good as well. Just know that is getting closer and closer to a point to where it may only like double, triple, or quadruple in price versus having 10x or 100x that price. So I do like was it VeChain? I've never checked out BAX, but we can always have a crypto stream later. I would love to do a crypto stream. If you have a chance, can you check out Clue Coin? Would you invest also? Let's see. Let's look at. Go back to Coin Market Cap. This has about 513 trillion. 513 trillion coins is a lot, right? Because it has 513,000 billion, which is 513 trillion. The max amount of coins it could have is, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. It can have 1 quadrillion coins. That means that in order for it to get to 1 penny, the market cap would be absolutely ridiculous. Now, if they have some sort of burn rate, I don't know. But all I know is you can double, triple, quadruple your price as you see it go up, but you do want to see where the price is now. The market cap is at 20 million, which is not crazy. If it gets to $1 billion level, that's how you know where it starts to get to crazy points. So right now you can invest in it and see it get up to other levels, get up to $100 million market cap, and you can quadruple your price just by doing that. So yeah, you can invest a lot of money in there and have that grow, but you can also have it go against you, especially with how many coins are there and how little activity you do see in there. Like it has 115,000 shares or $115,000 worth of volume, not millions of dollars, thousands. AMC charts, please. Sorry. Yes. AMC currently at 3.66%. We are at $53.88, up almost $2. It was at $2 at one point, but then went against me. So now we're starting to see that come back to about that $54 mark. Like I said, I think that we're going to see this get up to about $59. It's going to resist at $59.20. Maybe resist closer to 60, but I'm thinking $59.20 just because. And it's probably going to fall back down to about 57 is where it's going to close. That's what I'm thinking. And you might even see it go lower and then get back up to 57, but I think we're going to see it ultimately finish at 57. It's going to be a good day. It looks like it's going to be a pretty good day. You might see it go against us right away. So that's going to go down to 52. I forget what I said, 52.40 or 52. Yeah, 52.40 or something. And then see that jump up. So that's where I'm standing at. That's where my predictions are, and that's my opinion. Again, and I'm not telling you to invest at those points. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, short, do anything with those shares. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. We have 2 people viewing on Twitch. I appreciate you guys viewing on Twitch, being here, a part of this community over on this platform. It's 2 people over on the MP Shorts channel. I appreciate that. If you guys want more crypto information, we can always go through a crypto stream later today. I do have a golf tournament to get to later today, so I'm going to be playing some golf. But before then, we can always talk. Also, before we get into the market open, make sure you guys take some time to check out some of my other channels. I have the Matt to Reacts channel, and we react to a lot of things, whether it's trailers, whether it's David Portnoy being called a little bitch, or whether it's the truth about Dogecoin. I react to a ton of things. I want to upload one a day. But I didn't really have my voice a while back. I just got it back. So 3 days ago, me and my brother did a reaction video together. So definitely go and check out my reaction channel and subscribe to it if you guys are interested in it. And if you have anything that I should react to when it comes to stocks, it comes to anything, let me know and we can make that move. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look at some of the Ortex data. Looks like Ortex right now we're sitting at about 18.36% of the short float, 93.92 million. We're up on the short interest change, which means that they borrowed. We're looking at them borrow a lot more than what they're returning. Back to Kwame Brown and Steven Jackson. Kwame Brown is. Oh wait, like they were like going back and forth or something, like recently, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. 4 people over on Twitch. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Haven't been here for a few weeks. I hope you've all been well. Yeah, I've been well. I've been doing pretty good. I appreciate you being here and coming back. So you're streaming pre-market work, golfing, family, streaming. When do you sleep, man? And how do you have time for all? I love to move. I'm always moving. And how do I have time for it? It's because I don't give myself time to just relax. I wake up early. I stream. I love to talk about it. I love to invest. I love to make money. Work my 9 to 5. Love to communicate with them and also give them any ideas if they have any, or if they're interested in investing as well. And I love my kids, so I'm always spending time with them. I try to streamline everything to make sure it's very quick. I make videos and it takes me probably about 10 minutes to record the video and then like 10 minutes to upload it. And I do 2 videos at one time, so I can take like 20 minutes to record both of those videos, and then uploading it takes about the same time, about 10 to 12 minutes. As long as I still have I have my thumbnail created already. I still sleep about 6 hours or so. So I'm all for it. I'm okay with what I'm doing, just because it does seem to be working out. If you work hard, then you get great stuff. You get better opportunities as well. And yeah, when I'm sleeping, there's someone else that may be working harder. I initiated a 600 share transfer today from Robinhood this morning. Only a partial, but I'm panicking. You're awesome. Wish me luck. Thank you for saying that. Yeah, either way, I think the full squeeze is not going to happen within that period of time. I think we might see it really push, but I don't think it's going to happen within that period of time. I don't know. I don't know what that comment is all about. Matt Core's mom always talking about, like, I don't understand. All right. Well, I think you'll be good. It won't, like I said, the transfer won't happen within that period of time. I think you'll be fine. And even if it's not something to where they buy and like they sell and rebuy it, like they give you the amount of shares that you had at the current price, so you're good. I went through that transfer, and it was actually pushing while the transfer went through, and it was upsetting me because I actually had a lot of opportunities I wanted to buy some positions in or sell some positions at those moments because they were all positive. But I ended up getting to a point where I had to hold on to it. But that's just me. Yeah, we got 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes now. Hey, what's up? I got you tabbed in both now, bro. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching over on Twitch and commenting and being here. Means a lot. MRIN up. Yes, it is. Let's look at a 4 chart setup. Yeah, it's up 33%. It was up 36% earlier today. Let's look for a 4 chart setup. We'll look at GME down here and see where that is. GME is currently at 0.33%. Not really up that much, but it is up. We're also going to look at some other movers. It looks like BLIN. BLIN is up 54% after being up 56%. Is this going to be something that drops? We'll have to take a look at that. Huh. Something's going on with this. I don't know what's happening here. All right, well, computer's acting weird. All right. Thank you guys for watching wherever you're watching. Twitch, MP Shorts, my main channel. I appreciate that. We are now open. Let's see what's going to happen with AMC. Starting to push up a little bit, up to $53.64. We're seeing MRIN start to pull back, start to pull down to $26. We're seeing GameStop shoot up a little bit. Oh, now it's starting to come back. So let's see if we see the volume. MRIN is really dipping, really dipping. There we go. There we go, AMC. AMC pushing up to 54. $54.20, $54.30, $54.50. That's a great minute. That's a great minute. We're seeing BLIN make a move up. It's kind of starting to pull back now. Look at this. Look at MRIN. Really dropping. GameStop really dropping down to 202. Put them in the corner for that. No more cores, Mom. All right, perfect. If it happens again, I mean, we just need to figure something out with that person. But we're seeing AMC make this move. Look at this, $54, $54.55. Starting to see it pull back here. Come on. Show the strength. We've seen GME drop all the way down to 201 and then started to increase and make some of that ground up. My camera froze. My camera is frozen. Why is my camera frozen? Let me turn it off and turn it back on. Give me a second. Give me a second. Can you still hear me? It's just frozen across the board. Yeah, you can still hear me? Okay. I don't know what the heck is going on. Maybe I'll delete it, I'll remove it, and then bring it back in. Video capture device. Canon cam add source. I don't know why it's not working. Something happened with the camera and now it's frozen. So I think we're gonna have to deal with that. Can you see me? Are we good? I think I might have got it back. Hopefully everything's good here. He's back. All right, perfect. Yeah. Hedge funds have hacked you. All right, now we're seeing GME down to 199 of a low. That's crazy. And then AMC dropped down to 53.70. What was the lowest point? 53.14. Hopefully we can see that make a move on the way up rather than seeing this drop on the way down. But MRIN is definitely taking a little bit of a hit, opening up at $27.20 and currently at $24.58. Still up from the previous day. It's just not making a big move. Too many platforms. I can't handle the data squeeze. No, I think I set something else to use the camera as well, and it didn't really work. So that sucked. It was that chat of your password being password. Told you change it. It's not password. Yep, you're back. Thanks. Thank you for being here. We got 323 people in here. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't hit the like button, 850 likes sounds pretty good right now. We're starting to see MRN come back though, a little bit. It looks like AMC and GME are starting to come back a little bit. GME is above 201. AMC is at 53.80. Password 2. It's going to take you a while to guess it. Wow, like magic. Oh. The SPY is trending down. That's probably why you're seeing a lot of things dip. But you got a lot of things that are still green, at least on my recently viewed list. And that's because it's ordered by things that are green. Like B square must have dropped a hell of a lot. Yeah, it dropped a lot after hitting these highs up there. Let's look at some of this vortex data. Currently, we're seeing that up in the $54 level, so that's not that bad. I think we're going to see some movement once we hit that low, and I don't know if the low has happened yet. We'll see it get up to that 59.20. That's where I was at, $59.20. Out of focus, but working. I think it might be what's going on with you. It looks like it's in focus for me. It might just be a connection issue. Oh, goodness. All right, so I wanted to look at AMC, the vortex data. Also wanted to look at GameStop as well. Currently, the short interest to free float is 8.53%, 5.16 million. The short interest change is 2.89%. They're borrowing 235,000 shares, return 53,000 shares. Let's see. It's focused and clear. If you're on mobile, it may have switched to a lower quality. On a tone, yeah, it does that sometimes. Just cleared up. Okay, perfect. All right. We're sitting in a good spot. 3%, 3.3%. We are seeing a little bit of a downward trend here for GME, and also for AMC, we're seeing a little bit of a downward trend. Morning, Gray Babes. Good morning. Oh man, I'm yawning so much. Hopefully my yawns aren't contagious. You're short laddering AMC now because they can only to the uptrend SSR trigger, so they can't short it downward. Well, that's not accurate. Hedge funds can be exempt from SSR, and they can short it as much as they actually want to. So we would think that they can only short it on the upticks, but from what I understand, some hedge funds can be exempt from that. They're going back to bed again. Who's going back to bed again? Oh, they are. I'm going back to bed. My yawns. Yeah, I thought so. They're very contagious. We're not sitting in a bad spot though. Let's look at what's happening with MRN. That's down to $24. Looks like it's consolidating a little bit. You do see that BLIN looks like it's consolidating as well in that same portion. it looks the same. VILS or VISL has increased quite a bit from opening at $3.19 to getting to $3.38. Not bad. We're going to see Ethereum that's up. I need that to skyrocket. I need that to get to a high. What was the high recently? So it got to that high of 4,300 before dropping down to about 1,700. Then even dropping lower to about 1,700. I should have, got in at these lows, and I didn't even. Well, I did think about it. I just didn't have the money because I put it into Coinbase, and by the time it transferred over to Ally and went over to Coinbase, it was already up to these points, and I was like, "There's no point. I might as well put it into other things that may have a little bit more potential." And you know what? I grew my account by over 2,000 plus dollars. So I'm fine with that. GSAT is down. I'm so tired. GST is down. You're saying this is a good entry point? Let's get that on the 3-month. It could be a good entry point past this level of resistance. Or actually, it's currently at the level of resistance. So yeah, that's good. It's a good price. Oh, I'm so tired, and I need to go get some food. So again, I'm not that person that's going to be streaming for 8 hours or so. I couldn't do it. It's like quite impossible for me, at least. Damn, Doge tanked. Wait. Doge tanked before. Why does it not say the time of these chats? Where's it at now? I don't even know where Doge is right now. Doge is currently at 23 cents, 2343, almost at 24 cents. Let's see what cost is doing. You can also look at Tesla. Cost is down to 20 cents or $20. Cost is down to $20. Let's look at Fubo TV. Fubo TV is down to $28. That's good. That gives you a good price. As you continue to see that go down, be careful. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you can, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. 2K shares on GS. That's my baby. Along with my MVIS. Yeah, I'm holding MVIS long term. I'm going to look into some of my long term positions here because I do have some positions to buy over on Fidelity. So I'm going to take this next 15 minutes, and go ahead and do that. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you guys want to get notified when I post a video, or apparently YouTube doesn't notify you. But if you want a chance to get notified, hit that bell and hit all when you do that. Also, check out some of my other channels, the MP Shorts channel, the Perry Experience channel, the Matt Reacts channel, all of those things. Check those out. They're on my channel. You can find them. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on social media, all of that stuff. But guys, thank you so much for another great live stream this morning. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. So see you later. Everybody on Twitch, thank you guys for watching. If you can, follow me if you're not following already. But yeah, have a good one. Anybody that's watching right now, I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next one. And last but not least, the MP Shorts channel. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate all you guys because this channel is not yet monetized, so I appreciate everybody being over at this point. I will do a crypto stream on this on this channel, maybe I don't know, later today. I'll try and do one later today, maybe after I golf or before. So we'll see how everything plays out, but I'll try and do a crypto stream for a lot of people that are interested in crypto. But yeah, that's where my head is. Let me know if you're interested, what you want to hear about, and we will get that done. So yeah, thank you guys for being here, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.